Alright, so here we are back at our main page menu, and the last one on the list is a product category. Now this is only going to be if you have an e-commerce section to your website. If you do not have an e-commerce section or you're not selling products from your website, you can disregard this particular video in the training because it's not going to help you a whole lot. So if you do, however, have some products you're selling on your website, this will be beneficial. So same exact layout as before with the, from the rich text page video. Title, your status for publishing, publishing time and schedule if you want to, your content area. So this will be the text and images and whatnot that you put on the page. But what you have is this other little spot that you can add products to your page. Now, in this case, what you would have had to have done first, and I haven't, with the way that this is going to be organized, you may not have seen the products video yet on how to add a product. But in this case, you will have had to add a product first or have a product in your store. And if we have done your website for you and you have e-commerce, you will have products in there. So it's still relevant, but know that a product does have to exist here before we can do what we're going to do. All you have to do under your available products tab is turn them into chosen products. And you do that simply by double clicking them, or if you click it and click the arrow to go over. So we're just moving it from the available products box to the chosen products box. And that means for this particular category page, we are choosing to display these products. So this could be, this could be like a miscellaneous products page, right? Now, normally you would be a little more specific than this, but because I'm trying to be very general in this, we'll just call it miscellaneous products. And in this case, we could enter all of them in there, right? And this would actually show all the products that are available on the site on this page that we're creating. Metadata, exactly the same as we talked about in the rich text area. And then also we have this other area, which is product filters. So these are the different options for sizes and whatnot. Let's say with this category, if we only wanted to display the bronze colored products in all those categories in only this particular size, right? So we could have all of the products, but only in these sizes. And that would filter out the products that are displayed. Also, you can filter them by a sale that's going on. So if you have a sale that's applied to certain products, you can filter only the ones on sale. Or you can filter by price. So if you want it to be a minimum price of $40, a maximum price of $100, all of the other products that don't fit in that range would not be included in this page. And you see here where it says combined, if checked, products must match all specified filters. Otherwise, projects can match any specified filter. So this is if you want to be very specific, you can filter everything right down and it says everything must be there. So if we wanted this color, this size, with whatever price range we chose and it being on sale, we'd want combined. However, if we uncheck this, it will be all of the bronze, all of the 85 cubic inch, all of the sale or whatever we select there, in all of the products within this price range. So it's basically taking them individually as a filter or collectively together as a filter. And that's just done with that one little checkbox there. So with that, that kind of gives you the idea to build a category page. And to give you the specifics there on that, let me go back to this spot here. This is a category page. In this particular instance, this website isn't completely done, so there's maybe not a lot to look at here. I'm not sure on the status of this page if this is how the client wanted it or not. But this can be displayed however. We can add images here, we can have text above it. All of that stuff is editable right here in this area. So that being said, we'll move on from pages and we'll go into, I think the next video we're going to start talking about the blog posts. So